Hi, I'm Monica with Hashtag Goals English, and these are some ways to say that you're feeling a little sick. So most of these phrases won't be used if you're very, very sick or very ill. It's just when you feel a little bit sick. So let's look at this first one. I don't feel well. So this can mean a lot of different things. It's very general. When you say I don't feel well, it could mean you're getting a cold, maybe you have a headache, maybe you have a stomach ache. It's not specific. Something generally doesn't feel good in your body. You have this don't with a stop T, don't. Long E, feel, and short E, well. I don't feel well. Feel well. I don't feel well. I don't feel so well. I don't feel too well. We can add these little words. A lot of these sentences, we're going to have things that we can change or replace. Next one, I feel a little sick, or I feel a bit sick, right? So we can change some of those words around. Or we even can say, I'm feeling a little sick. So again, this could mean your stomach is upset, like you feel nauseous, could mean you're a little hot, could mean you're getting a cold. This one is also very general. I feel a little sick. Feel, long E, and then linking with that schwa, feel. And then actually I should have put a D here because this one is a flap T, sounds more like a D. Little, little, with this short I, little. So the D goes right into the L, which is what this little symbol means, little. And then again, short I, sick. I feel a little sick. This next one I use a lot. I say, I feel kind of off. So we use this to mean like not normal. I don't feel how I usually feel. Like something's wrong, but I'm not sure what. I feel kind of off. I feel a little off. I'm feeling sort of off today. And so this isn't necessarily only for feeling sick. It could also mean when you feel like your mind is working slower, like you're not thinking super clear. Oh man, I feel kind of off today, right? So this long E again, feel. And then notice here with this IPA, I linked this and I did kinda. So we can say kind of with that V or just kinda and skip it. I feel kinda off. I feel kind of off. So it could be of, kind of off, or kinda off. I feel kinda off today. This next one is an idiom that's actually a little more formal. We might use this one if we're calling in sick to work. I'm a bit under the weather. I'm feeling under the weather today. I'm under the weather. So under the weather is this phrase that we use to mean sick or not feeling well. Linking here, I'm a bit, stop T, bit under, I'm a bit under the weather. We don't want to do linking here because since there's this D here, it's going to sound a little weird. Bit under, well, I'm a bit under the weather. No, actually that's fine. So we can do a flap T here, bit under, I'm a bit under the weather. So these both are voiced TH. They're. I'm a bit under the weather. I'm sorry. I can't come to work today. I'm a bit under the weather. Okay, and this last one is more informal. In this one, we're using hot here as slang to mean good. I'm not feeling so good, which again is improper grammar, so it's very informal, right? So I'm not feeling so well, or I'm not feeling very well, would be the more formal, proper grammar way to say this. I'm not feeling well, right? But we can say, I'm not feeling so good. It's more informal, or we can use the word hot. I'm not feeling so hot. Oh, I'm not feeling so hot today. Woof, something's wrong. I feel bad. Right? So I'm not feeling so, long O, and then hot, short O. I'm not feeling so hot. I might not be able to come to work today because I'm not feeling so hot. And that's it for this lesson. Make sure to repeat these phrases so you really learn them. Take notes in a notebook if you need to. If you like this video and you think some other people should see it, give it a share. Hit the like button, make a comment. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell. All right, until next lesson, keep practicing.